Hello there again. Welcome back to the whitchermath channel. And we're going to do a little basic angle ID or identification practice here. In a previous video, you might recognize these stunning graphics. You should check this out. Look at that. It's beautiful. Okay? We learned all about adjacent angles, which share a common side, a common vertex, and don't overlap. We learned about vertical angles in red here, which are opposite, sometimes called opposite vertical, sometimes just called opposite. You got to pay attention, but they're always equal and congruent, and the most common time you see them is when two lines intersect. Okay, and complementary add up to 90. Two angles add up to 90, such as 60 plus 30. Very nice. And supplementary, it's S for straight adds up to 180, such as 60 plus 120. There's your quick review. Let's do some practice. All right. First, let's find out if these are adjacent angles. Got my black pen here. We're ready to go. They share a common side right there, but here's a vertex and here's a vertex. They do not have a common vertex, so that is no. How about this one? Angle A and angle B. They share a common side. Very nice. They have a common vertex. They don't overlap. That's a yes. I can tell a highlighting pen would be a good idea here. See? I really got one. Check it out. Sharpie. Okay. All right, angle A and angle B here. They do share a common vertex, but that's it. They don't share any common sides. In fact, this one's called a vertical angle, that pair of angles, so we're going to call that a no. Let's see, angle A and angle B. They have a common side right there, right? Angle B. Angle B is talking about this big angle here, okay? Angle B has this side. Angle A also has that side. They do share a common vertex. Hey, this is looking pretty good. Oh, no. They overlap. Do you see how angle A fits inside of angle B? That is not okay. Remember, our definition, they can't overlap, all right? Woo! So far, we only have one good choice here. Angle A and angle B down here, they have a common side. They share a common vertex, and they do not overlap. See how one stops and then the other one starts? That's a good one. Yes. And finally, this one down here, well, this one's horrible, even though it's a beautiful drawing. Right? There's a side. They don't even have a common side. They have individual separate vertices, but they don't overlap, so that's one good thing. But that's a no. How'd you do there? Did you get those two as the only two adjacent angles? Okay. Vertical. Remember, vertical angles are opposite of each other. The most common occurrence is when they occur from intersecting two lines. Okay, let's check out our examples here. Here's two intersecting lines, right? Angle A and angle B are not vertical. They are adjacent, but they are not vertical. That's a big no. About this one, we have two intersecting lines. There's angle A, angle B. They go this way though, like the horizon, like watching the sunset. Well, if you watched that previous video, you know that's not part of the lingo here. These are vertical angles. Yes, we're going to circle that one. Okay? What about this? Angle A, angle B. Well, they're opposite of each other. They look like they're equal. We don't know, though. We didn't measure them. No. We have to have intersecting lines. That's no, 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 no. Okay, what about this one? We've got intersecting lines, angle A and angle B. They're on opposite sides of this vertical line. Seems like they're kind of vertical. No! They need to be equal, opposite, and congruent. So this one was the only one that qualifies out of those choices. Next, complementary. Let's see if these are complementary angles. Right, and you can always pause the video and do these by yourself and then join me again for the answers. Okay, that's a good way to practice. Complementary. Remember complementary? Let's check this out. Complementary, they add up to 90. The C might remind you of a corner. They have to add up to 90, bottom line. Check this out. A and B, do those add up to 90? No, that's 180. That's a straight line. That would be supplementary. So that's no. No, 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 no. What about these? We've got this 30-degree angle here and a 60-degree angle here. They're not sharing any sides. It doesn't look good. Hey, wait a minute. 30 plus 60 equals 90, though, doesn't it? So that's a yes. They do not have to be adjacent to equal 90. It just has to be any two angles that equal 90. So that's a yes. Watch out. Down here, angle A, angle B. There's the little box that tells us it's a 90-degree angle. So yes, that's a yes. They add up to 90. What about this here? We have the little box, which tells us that's a 90-degree angle. Angle A, B, and C. Well, they do add up to 90. But there's three of them. Well, if you remember from the previous video, you need to ask your teacher, right? The traditional definition would be no, right? Because it's two angles. But the spirit of the definition, the concept is angles that add up to 90, you could say yes. So that could be a yes or no. Ask a clarifying question of your teacher. Hi, Miss Hogue.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I'm just filming a video about angles.
I thought you were on the phone. And now
No, I'm never on the phone.
I'm sorry.
I'll be done in a second, though.
Okay.
Supplementary angles. We've got 5 examples here. Angle A and angle B. You see B is that big one there. They overlap. So that means no on that one. Okay. Supplementary, remember the S means straight, so we are looking for a straight line, looking for them to add up to 180. What do we have over here? We have 155 and we have 25. When you add those together, that does equal 180, and even though they're not adjacent, they're not sharing that straight line, that's a yes. The definition is they add to 180. That's all we need. Look down here. We've got angle A, angle B. The little box though, what's that tell us? Right, 90 degrees. Supplementary means a straight angle, means 180. So that is a no. And our final example, we've got angle A, angle B. Look, they're adjacent. They have a common side, common vertex. And since they are adding up to make this straight line here, that's our most traditional, common way you're going to see supplementary angles. That's a yes. How'd you do? Did you get 2 out of 4? Good. Okay. We're done. That was your practice. Look at that big messy page. That means we did a lot of good work, and I'll see you next time. Thanks again for watching the Whitcher Math channel. Bye.